Something happened in my house and I just want to show you. It's kind of weird. I moved in this house so early on this year and something always happened. I got used to them. I'm not like exactly freaked out, but I will show you. Here is my bathroom and I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm right like above my bathtub at the moment and I keep hearing a water dripping. Okay, I'm having goosebumps when I'm telling you. It's kind of weird that I can still hear it. I cannot identify where the water is coming from. Okay, and this is okay, super dirty at the moment, so please don't judge me. And here, and there's no water. I keep hearing the dripping sound and I don't know why. It kind of bothers me this morning because I was like put on makeup and then it's like drip, and then I was doing something and I hear a drip. I don't know what it is. It's just kind of something I want to share. I try not to be freaked out about it. Maybe I will ask someone to come and just to look at it just to be sure. But anyway, that's just like one of the million weird things happening around this house.